Over 60, you can reverse muscle loss instantly by adding just one powerful food to your breakfast. Have you ever wondered why you feel weak, unsteady, or keep stumbling even though you eat well, take vitamins, and stay active? The reason may be something called sarcopenia, a condition that's extremely common in adults over 60. Sarcopenia simply means your muscles are shrinking and losing strength as you get older. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple foods you can start adding to your breakfast tomorrow morning to stop muscle loss. The last one on this list is so powerful that doctors in traditional Chinese medicine recommend it to all their older patients. By the time we finish, you'll know exactly what to eat so you can feel strong, steady, and even look and feel 40 again. I can make that promise because I've cared for thousands of older patients struggling with muscle loss, and I've seen firsthand how their diets affected their strength. Over 85% of those patients came back with real improvements after adding these 5 foods. But first, let me ask, where are you watching from and how old are you? Have you noticed any signs of muscle loss in your own life? Tell me in the comments. I reply to every single one. Muscle repair and foods to avoid. Have you ever thought about what happens to your muscles while you sleep? First, your muscles get tiny micro tears from daily use. That may sound bad, but it's what sparks growth. Next, your body senses the damage and goes into repair mode. Healing cells rush in to patch those tears, making your muscles thicker and stronger. But here's the secret. This repair can't happen without the right fuel in the morning. Breakfast gives your muscles the building blocks they need. If you skip or eat the wrong foods, you rob your body of the chance to rebuild. Sadly, many older adults make this mistake every single morning. So before we get into the 5 foods you should eat, let's talk about 5 common breakfast foods you must avoid if you want to keep your muscles strong. 1. White bread spikes blood sugar, blocks protein repair, and increases muscle breakdown. Seniors eating it daily lost 23% more muscle in 3 years. 2. Coffee on an empty stomach raises cortisol, a stress hormone that breaks down muscle and blocks growth for hours. Seniors who drank it first thing lost 22% more muscle. 3. Processed meats, bacon, sausage, and deli ham damage muscle cells and mitochondria. Seniors eating them regularly lost 33% more muscle. 4. Oatmeal with skim milk. Without fat, vitamins A, D, E, and K aren't absorbed. Seniors who ate it daily lost 29% more muscle. 5. Refined cereals lack essential amino acids and contain anti-nutrients that block protein absorption. Seniors eating them lost 37% more muscle over 2 years. 5 foods to build muscle at breakfast. Now that you know the foods that destroy your muscles, here's the good news. These are the 5 most powerful breakfast foods that can help reverse muscle loss and bring back your strength. 1. Greek yogurt. Plain, full fat, rich in protein and leucine, the amino acid that switches on muscle growth, contains double the protein of regular yogurt. Seniors who ate it daily gained 18% more muscle mass and improved balance. Best results. Add nuts and berries. Eat within 30 minutes of waking. 2. Eggs. The gold standard of protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Your body can use 94% of their protein to build muscle. Provide vitamin D to help muscles absorb protein. Seniors who ate 2 eggs daily gained lean muscle and leg strength. Always eat the yolk for half the protein and vitamin D. 3. Avocado, packed with potassium to prevent cramps. Healthy fats improve vitamin absorption and hormone balance. Boosts natural testosterone and growth hormone. Seniors who ate half an avocado daily showed better protein absorption. Pair with eggs or yogurt for maximum effect. 4. Lean meats, chicken or turkey. One of the richest sources of complete protein, about 35 grams in 4 ounces. Contains creatine and B vitamins for muscle growth and strength. Seniors who included lean meat gained 3 pounds of muscle and 31% more strength. Best eaten grilled or baked, paired with eggs or avocado. 5. Nuts and seeds. Combine plant protein, omega-3 seconds, and minerals like magnesium and zinc. Arginine improves blood flow to deliver nutrients to muscles. Seniors who ate 2 ounces daily gained nearly 2 pounds of muscle. Choose raw almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or chia. Soak overnight for better digestion. Sprinkle over yogurt or eggs. How to apply these 5 foods. A practical breakfast could be 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt topped with nuts and fresh berries, 2 whole eggs with half an avocado, grilled or baked chicken breast slices, a handful of soaked nuts and seeds, warm water, or herbal tea instead of coffee on an empty stomach. This simple routine provides protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that your muscles need after sleep. Stick with it daily, and you'll notice stronger muscles, steadier movements, and lasting energy throughout the morning. Just one small change at breakfast can help you regain strength, confidence, and even the vitality you felt in your 40 seconds. Don't fall back on white bread, sugary cereals, or bacon because it feels easy. You're ready to put this into practice. Stay consistent and grow stronger each day. These simple changes can truly help reverse muscle loss and give you back energy, confidence, and independence. If this video has helped you understand why your strength may be fading, and now you have a clear plan to rebuild it, then hit that subscribe button. I've just shared information that could transform your health and even make you feel years younger. It's the kind of guidance most doctors never mention, yet it can save you thousands in medical bills. Subscribing is free, takes just a second, and allows me to keep creating videos that change lives. So please subscribe now, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to hear how these changes work for you. See you in the next video.